Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can connect your WhatsApp with your PC using WhatsApp app. So let us start. First of all, open your browser and here you can write on the google.com. Here in the search box you have to write down the WhatsApp web and click here. Here you can see the QR code. You have to scan it by using your mobile. When you open your WhatsApp you will see here like this and you have to click here, these three dots here. When you click here on three dots, the next image will be like this and you have to click here linked devices, and when you click linked devices and the next window will appear like this and you have to click here link device, and when you click here next window will appear like this. After clicking on link device, the next window will appear like this. It will connect your WhatsApp to your PC like this. This is how you can connect your WhatsApp on your PC, and it's very simple. And if you like this video, please share and subscribe this video. Thanks for watching.